Hello, welcome back to another tutorial of how to knot a tie or tie a tie. Now, how do you achieve that easily? First, if you can measure the distance of which you want your tie, the length of your tie, you hold it right there. The next thing you do is you're going to take that position and put right in front, flat in your hand, from the tip of your fingers right down to this position. If you notice, from here to here is the same as the length from here right to the tip of your belt. So how do you knot this tie easily? I usually do this when I'm in a haste, when I want to go out and I don't have time to waste. How do you do that? Now you take the longer part of the tie, you cross it first round like this. That's the first step. When it is done, you do that again the second time. You cross it again the second time. At the end of it, what do you achieve? You achieve something like this. Something like this. After achieving this, you send your hand right into the middle and pick up the second one. Then you pull gently. When you pull that gently, you have a tie. You have your knotted tie. And that's your tie. If you check, the distance is just like you wanted it to be. This is how the tie was formed. Slowly, you cross it. That's the first step. Second step again. So you have these two, right? You have these two. Now you take you're gonna send your finger, your hands, and you pull the second one. When you pull the second one, just pull it down. Pull it down, and that's how you have a tie. Slowly.